Hello students, welcome to another session. So from my normal teaching of various things, I just thought I would focus on certain problems which is a little bit challenging for students. So I had a student who gave me this question and told me it's very difficult. I said, why is it difficult? If you look at this particular question and read it, a minus 1 by a is equal to b. Alright, b minus 1 by b is equal to c and c minus 1 by c is equal to a. And I want to find out what is the value of 1 by a squared plus 1 by b squared plus 1 by c squared. So if I look at this particular question, I was thinking, if you have, what is the strategy? All I need to find out the value of this. Now from the given ones, how would you get an a squared, b squared, c squared? So it's very simple. I would get it by squaring. So I know my first strategy is I have to square. And once I get a square, I have a square. I also see that I need to find out what is the sum of this. So after squaring, I know my second strategy would be to sum them up so that I may get something like this as 1 by a squared plus 1 by b squared plus 1 by c. So this is my thought process and let me see whether I could do it. So first I need to square this. So let me mark this as 1, mark this as 2 and mark this as 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to square 1, 2 and 3 and I'm going to add them up. So that means I'm going to have a minus 1 by a the whole square plus b minus 1 by b the whole square plus c minus 1 by c the whole square would be b squared plus c squared plus a squared. Right? So I squared each one of them and I've got this. Now my job is to expand this by using the formula for a minus b the whole square. So this becomes a squared minus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a squared plus b squared minus 2b into 1 by b plus 1 by b squared plus c squared minus 2 into c into 1 by c plus 1 by c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared. I have rearranged that. So what happens if I see, to make my job easy, I see that the a squared gets cancelled, the b squared gets cancelled and the c squared gets cancelled, leaving a 0 on the right hand side. So now what happens? Again, this a gets cancelled, b gets cancelled, c gets cancelled. Oh my God, it's so simple, right? So I see that I get 1 by a squared plus 1 by b squared plus 1 by c squared. I have a minus 2 here, a minus 2 here and a minus 2 which results to minus 6 is equal to 0. And my aim is to get what is the value of 1 by a squared plus 1 by b squared plus 1 by c squared. So then what happens? So I get 1 by a squared plus 1 by b squared plus 1 by c squared is equal to 6. Yay! So you see, it's as simple as that, but you need to have a thought process and you need to look 1 or 2 steps ahead and see what you would be actually getting. So you see, basically this is quite a simple question. All you need to do is just think a little bit. So basically this was one of the Olympiad questions and it also can be a regular normal question in expansions. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Stay tuned for another head scratches and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.